I'm going to do a quick recap of all the things I hope you guys know about limits in this activity. The big thing I want you to know about limits, I hope, is that we have a function and x's go in and y's come out. And what makes limits different is we're not putting x's into the function. We're looking at the y value as x gets close to a specific value. And so to emphasize that idea, I made a little interactive sheet. You guys are on it. It's the next slide over. But I want to explain what's happening. There's an x value you can drag around. And this, as you look at, as I drag this guy around, check out that purple point, moving in a very predictable way. It's defined by some kind of function that I've created and hidden very cleverly. And if we talk about the limit as, say, x approaches a specific value, we're looking at what the y value approaches as x approaches whatever value x is approaching. To emphasize the y value, I did make this little orange point. That's the y value that we're approaching. So like, for example, right now, as x is close to -3, you could see my y value is hovering right around -5. And if I'm at -3, the y value is -5. So we'd say the limit as x approaches -3 is -5. If I drag this x to say -1, we can look and see that that y value is hovering very close to -6. So I don't want to be too mysterious about the function you're looking at. It's going to look exactly like this. And if you know your Algebra 2 really well, you might even be able to come up with a function that does this. But I want you to drag this point around. I want you to find the limits that are on the next screen. I want you to do two things, though. I want you to go very close to the point. I also want you to go actually exactly on the point, because this function is not what it seems. But it emphasizes the idea of a limit being like we don't care what's happening at the point, we care what's happening near the point. So please give that a try and see what's happening. Good luck.